How many of you out there really kind of prefer that kind of dirty, earthy look to your grill, but your partner, friends, and family kind of think you should clean it? So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to test out the Kona. Our dog's named Kona. So the Kona grill cleaner. Super easy to use. All you do is gentle clean. You just spray it down. We're going to let it sit for like a minute, and then we're going to scrub it off with our Kona scrubber. If you happen to have something really disgusting going on, you need 20 minutes to let it sink in and really get all that grease off there. I actually keep mine pretty clean, so the minute should be just fine. So yeah, I did have to scrub, but I have to say, first off, the smell smells really good from that Kona cleaner. And I think it did make a big impact on how quickly the grease came off. It did not take as much scrubbing as I thought it would. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.